morning friends, this is D. Venugopal from Banaras Hill University. Welcome to the series Let us learn LaTeX. This is the fifth lecture. In this lecture we will deal with installing JabRef database management for bibliography databases and BibTeX for LaTeX. When I started my lectures, I was using JabRef version 4, but when I am going to teach you, I learnt that JabRef version 5 is released, so I installed it and I am showing you how to install it JabRef 5 and use it with LaTeX. Search the web for JabRef. So we will come to here, click on here. This is the JabRef home page, and to download it, click on downloads, download latest release and download the JabRef Windows installer. I have already downloaded this and it is available on my pen drive. So I will directly show how to install it. Double click JabRef 5. Now click next, next, install. It starts installing. So this is the JabRef. First we have to create a library, new library, BibTeX library, and save this to some directory, and preferably save library to a place where you want keep all the bibliography data in a single location. You can give it data 2. I am giving it. Okay. So first I will use it in the data 1. So click it here. You will see these type of icons on your system. So this is to add a data. Click on this. These type of things come. Generally it was kept on for article only. You add it, but you can change article to some other format. Article, in book, book, booklet, collection, conference, in proceeding, etc. So I am using the article only. So you type the name of the authors. Okay, Omkar Nath like this, and you give a year of publication, 2012, journal's name, okay, hydrogen, hydrogen energy, title of the paper, okay, how to store H hydrogen more efficiently. So to prepare the key, we have to just click on this key symbol. Okay, Srivastava automatically came like this. Then there are optional fields. In optional fields, the journal's volume, 23rd volume, number, 4th number, pages, 250 to 256, like this. And if you want, you can cross references, all these things also you can add, or comments or related articles if you want. And this is the BibTeX source. So how in actuality the database will be prepared. You can type like this also, but it is cumbersome. That is why we are using this bibliography database software. So to include another bibliography data, you click on this plus sign again. Okay. So to change this from article to book, click on this one. Okay. And then first the fields will be changed. Author's name. Okay. Something like, and there is no editor for the book. This is web, like this, and era publication. I'm saying, okay, publisher, like this. There is no editor. Optional fields, suppose address, edition, if there are any editions, or you can also add number. There may be 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers of these things. You can increase them also, on series also. Then if you have finished all these things, you can create another one by clicking on this, add another one. So we will see another thing like PhD thesis. Okay, so required field is author. There will be only one. School is Banaras Hindu University. Then title of the thesis, like this. Year of submission 2005. Okay, like this. Now we can create the BibTeX key here. Where to keep and this thing 2000. Like this, we can do all these things. Now Control S, save it. To take these things in our text file, we are just opening a text studio file. To include this in this bibliography, I have not given. We have to tell the path also. See, okay, forward slash. What is the folder we have kept? We kept in C. In C, I kept bib data. Okay, C bib data public data one. Now we can do another thing also. We can push these things directly to our thing. Suppose you want to code this one. Select this one. Here there is one thing like tech. This is for Tech Studio. So just click it. You will directly go to the place where you want to put it. Suppose I am writing something here. Some blah 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 blah. So you want to cite it here. Just cite it like this. Okay. Then we are putting bibliography. This is the bibliography and the database's name. Style, generally first we will put plain style and show you. Okay. Now because the data is there, everything is, compile this. Three times it will run and it will show the reference. Okay. Suppose I am adding another reference just like in the previous one. I will go to the this. Suppose I want to select both this and click here and push to the sorry, key not generated, that is why the mistake. Okay, now we are ready. We selected both. I am pushing to BibTeX. See, both are here. Now I can write it some blah blah blah, whatever I want. Just run it again. See, Rajesh Singh added, this thing added. Where is the Miller one? Why? I think bibliography data was not saved. That is the reason. See, all the three came. You can do like this. So what is the advantage of this system and how to this? There is a package called show keys. If we use this show keys, the keys will come. It will be handy for you to see whether everything is correct or not. Okay, these are the keys. Okay. Then suppose without quoting you want to create a bibliography file of all your database in a single file. For that also you can just say no site and put a star. So everything in the database will come here. I have another data. Okay, I put without giving any path data 1. So I have put it in the same file where my this text file is there. So that data will also it will take out. See, I have Others like this Sanyal, Singh, Srivastava, Watanabe. These things are from the other thing. Without citing, no cite, stop means take all the data from the databases. This is for it. Then we will see how to change the bibliography styles. So it is the plain bibliography. Plain means the full name is coming here. You can change this to abbrev, that is abbreviated. For that, it won't change immediately. First you run the LaTeX, then go to tools and click on bibliography. Again compile the document, then immediately it is changed. Now see, this is the abbreviated style. And another style available is ACM. Okay. So again run it. It won't come immediately. For that we have to go tools, bibliography, run it. Again run the LaTeX. Immediately it will change like this. See, without any effort, without typing anything from the database, it automatically took the data and changed according to the style of the journal. Then there is another one called APA-like. APA means American Psychological Association's style, APA-like. Run it and again go to bibliography and again run it. This is the style of American Psychological Association's style. See? I hope you understood it. The thing is, we used here a software called JobRef to prepare our databases. You can create as many databases as you like, and you can put them in the bibliography one after the other, data 1, data 2, data 3, or you can say hydrogen or some material names. You can save anything, and you have to tell the path like this. Suppose this data also I have in some other directory, I have to put the entire path like this. Okay, because I have put this data one, there are two data one. Don't confuse with this one and this one. Okay, the data came here, and by just changing the bibliography style, we can change the style here also. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. If you have any doubt, please write to me. I will try to explain again in another lecture. So, you have to see the bibliography databases thing in the LaTeX tutorials. Thank you very much. Write to me on dvgtech@gmail.com, and my next lecture will be on mathematics in LaTeX. Thank you very much.